Down the bottom on the menu bar, select text. Once you've selected your text, type in whatever you want. So I've typed in hello world. Moving it up with my finger, I can expand the text, move it around. So tap on the colour palette, select your colour for your font. Then tap on the text type, select your font. Once you've done that, tap on the box there and you can select animation. You can select the duration of the animation. And then select the alignment. You can align the font as you want. Once you've done that, please like and subscribe to watch another video. We've got a playlist at the end showing all our latest videos for you to enjoy.